Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Compton. We're starting today with one of my favorites, a number talk. All right, so get your brains massaged, get your fingers ready in your brain, right? And get your tools ready in your brain. You should have pictures of all this stuff going on when we're doing our number talk, right? Okay, so here we go. Our first one is 8 plus 5. All right, so I want you to think about what your best strategy would be for 8 plus 5. Hit pause. I'll see you back in just a second. Okay, did you hit pause? I give you some think time just in case you didn't. Okay, so 8 plus 5. I'm going to guess some of you made some 10s. Did anybody make a 10 out there? Raise your hand if you did. Raise your hand if you used your fingers in your head. That's okay too, because finger math is actually very important. Okay, and raise your hand if you used a number line. My friends out there using a number line. Okay, I'm going to take some guesses. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to guess that some of you thought about it as 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then landed on the answer. Okay, so let's find out. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 would be the answer we would land on. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. Okay, so let's put 13. All right, how about, okay, many of you probably made a 10, but I have a guess. Maybe some of you turned the 8 into the 10, and maybe some of you turned the 5 into the 10. I don't know. So I'm going to guess with the 5 first. Maybe you broke the 8 into a 5 and a 3. Show me 8 on your fingers. Let me see. I'm going to show you mine. Like that. Okay, so I have a 5 and a 3. So maybe you actually made the 10 like this. 3 plus 10 equals 13. Or you could have made the 10 another way. So let's check. 8 plus 5. Maybe you stole 2 from the 5 and then had 3 more. Because here's 5. Steal away 2. You still have 3 more, right? See if you can do that with your fingers. It's kind of hard. Okay. So we've got 10 plus 3 makes 13. Or maybe you just counted it on your fingers in your head, right? So maybe you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then let's get a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I count them all and I'd see that's 10, 11, 12, 13. So maybe you did that. Okay, here we go. Next one. 8 plus 7. Hit pause so you can think about it. 8 plus 7. I have a guess. My guess is some of you used a doubles fact. Are you guys learning your doubles facts? Okay, so I know that you know something about 8 plus 8. Do you know what 8 plus 8 is? It's a doubles fact. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 8 plus 7 is just going to be 1 less. So it must be 15. Or maybe you went the other way and you used 7 plus 7 as your doubles fact. And that's 14. And then you added 1 more. I don't know what you did, but I wish I could find out. Okay, kids, I think it's time. Are you ready? We're going to hear the story today. Our story today is about basketball, shooting some hoops. Hopefully you're still out there playing. All right, so here we go. Basketball. Jonah made... Those weren't supposed to be there yet. Jonah made baskets during PE. Ryder made more baskets than Jonah. How many baskets did Ryder make during PE? Okay, so let's imagine that again. Jonah made baskets. So we're going to find out for sure how many baskets Jonah made. Okay, now I'm trying to imagine the rest of the story. Ryder made More baskets than Jonah. Okay, so do I know how many baskets Ryder's made? Are we going to find out? Are they going to tell us that information? They're not going to tell us how many Ryder made. We have to figure that out. Okay, so let's see our number sets. We've got 3 and 8, 19 and 15, and 49 and 27. So I was going to imagine it with, you guessed it, these numbers. Whoopsie! Jonah made 3 baskets during PE. Ryder made 8 more baskets than Jonah. How many did Ryder make during PE? All right, so we could get things like our tools, because we're really comparing Jonah and Ryder, aren't we? We're really kind of comparing to see if we can figure it out. All right, kids, get your stuff, get ready. It's time for you to go. I'll see you next time. Bye, kids.